Hi guys! Adobe recently gave Photoshop the ability to instant colorize photos using Adobe Sensei AI technology. I'll show you how to turn your black and white photo into colorful one. Stay tuned. Here I have a beautiful girl in black and white photo. First, go to Filter, New Row Filter. Colorize. This feature is still on beta version, but it works really well, right? Please notice that this feature is available on the latest version of Photoshop CC. If you are using the old one of Photoshop, make sure to update it. After you click the toggle to turn it on, Photoshop will use its image recognition technology to colorize the element of your photo in the way that it thinks best. If some areas of the photo have a little bit off, you can custom adjustment in the panel of Colorize. There are colors for you to modify, focus color, add saturation, and so on. Lots of options to push up your photo to another level. Once you're done, the result is added on top of your layer. Next, we'll fix colors of her ear. Select Brush tool, B shortcut, click to the icon below black and white color. It's edit in Quick Matte mode, Q shortcut. After you are choosing that mode, the layer filled with red. Then just paint over her ear and click again to the Quick Matte to turn it off. Now her ear is selected. Open Color Palettes by pressing Ctrl or Command B. In Color Palette window, there are three tone balance: shadows, midtones, and highlights. In midtones, let's increase red to 9, decrease blue to -4. In shadow, increase red to 16 and decrease blue to -13. Last thing, in highlight, red to 7, green to 1, and blue to -4. The color in her ear is now balanced. It's the same tone with her skin. Let's use brush and quick mask again to select the areas of her face and hands. Open curve with shortcut Ctrl or Command M. Brighten the selection by increasing mid-tone a little bit. That's it. There's another way to colorize your black and white photo in case you don't want to update your Photoshop for some reason. Go to website MyHeritage.com. Upload your photo and just wait for the processing completed. The result looks awesome. This website is for free to use. However, they'll put the watermark to the photo. If you don't want that, just update your account to Premium. Now, just download it and put it to the Photoshop to see the differences. It's great, right? Please leave comment to let us know which methods of Colorize is better in your opinion. Thank you for watching.